Hi, Bud Blankenship here. I'm going to show you the Ozark Trail 14-person base camp tent. There's not only many videos on this as far as the consumer themselves. There is one from the company that shows them setting up. I'm not going to show you the setup this time, but I'll show you what it looks like put together and at a campsite. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is a tent-only site we're at, and then there's actually plenty of room. There are some sites where it might be a little bit challenged, but it's not a problem. I was a little worried about it first being big. But the nice thing probably is you could probably rig this up that you could collapse one of the sides, or maybe one or both sides, and make it a little shorter and actually still make it functional. If you have a little bit of tent savvy, it'll be good to go. It took us maybe about 30 minutes, only because the biggest challenge was actually finding the stakes, getting the right size. And it's the first time. Actually, we didn't even practice this in our own yard, so I just went on and took it right out of the box at this campsite, and it took about 30 minutes. So I think we can narrow this down. Once I know where everything is now, I can probably get it down to 10 minutes with 2 people. If push came to shove, one person could do this. This center pole, the most challenge where you might need help. In fact, most of it I did myself, and the only thing I really needed a little bit of help on is just keeping this center together when lifting it up. But if push came to shove it, it's probably doable. I have the rain fly. The rain fly is over there right now. I'll show you in another video with the rain fly. Nice thing about this, it is lots of ventilation. With the rain fly off, just keep a track of the weather, and also, windows everywhere. Got side doors, got side windows on both sides. It's a great tent if you want ventilation, or if you have cats and you just want them to look out. There's plenty of room for that. Here's Girly. And there's Babs. Got our little water bowls. And, we just stay here with them. One of us stays here with them. Make sure it's good for them, because it is a little hot here in the Florida summer. There's another side door. There's the view. But just plenty of room to move around and be comfortable. And storing it, it's about between 55 and 60 pounds. We store, actually, I use a cargo roof carrier in my minivan. And I'll probably show you that in another video. Also the tray tables too that we have in there. We have 5 of those, and we can collapse them and actually interlock them together. They don't take a whole lot of room. But it's good for them to step on like Girly does and look out. But great views. Night, like I say, we actually had the rain fly off at night. We just keep an eye on the weather, because we kind of ahead of time we want to make sure we have time to put it on. And I actually have the hooks together. I actually according to the manual, supposed to use the yellow pins for the guy ropes and the metal pins for the corners, but I could switch that around. As far as getting the basic tent set up, it's not that bad. And once you set up, you can just if you're here for a few days, you can just perfect it. But that's it. I'll show you another video with the rain fly on. I'll give you an inside tour. Alright, until then, I'll see you guys later.